For the materials needed for this project, you can use any worsted weight yarn, but if you're in the Philippines, you can buy this yarn from me. I will post a link down below. This is 3-ply, and you can double pull it so that the yarn will become thicker. You can pull the inner end and also the outer end of the yarn, and then I'm gonna crochet them together. Okay, and then we're also going to need a pair of scissors, and then a 5mm crochet hook and a yarn needle. Now we're going to start making our yarn bag. First, we are going to make a slip knot. And then we are going to chain 90. I'm gonna take my hook out, and then I'm going to insert it here, and then I'm gonna continue making our chains. This is an easy way so that our chains will not twist. So I started with 10 chains. I'm gonna continue 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'll be back when I'm done with my 90 chains. Now we're done making our 90 chains. We're going to make a slip stitch. And then we are going to make a chain 2. This will not count as a double crochet. Then next we are going to make a double crochet on the first stitch, and then we're going to include this yarn end as we go. And then in all the stitches around, make a double crochet. So for the first round, you will have 90 double crochet stitches, and the first 2 chains of the round, it will not count as a double crochet. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video for a while, and then I'll be back when I'm done with this round. Now I'm done with my 90 double crochet stitches. Next, going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round, and then next going to chain 2, and then on the first stitch make a double crochet, and then double crochet in all the stitches around. That would be 90 double crochet stitches on this round. And then for round 3 to 20, we are going to repeat the pattern from round 2. Now I'm done making the first 20 rounds of our bag. I've already made the handle, and then on the other side I'll show you how to make it. This is where I stopped my 20 rounds of 90 double crochet stitches, and then next I counted 5 stitches, and then I made the handle round 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then to make the other side of the the other side, the handle on the other side, we are going to count 10 stitches here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then this is where we are going to make the handle. We're gonna chain 2. This will not count as a double crochet, and then on the same stitch make a double crochet. So that's the first double crochet, and then we will have 35 double crochet stitches. So continue making a double crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 32 33 34 35. Okay, so we're done with the first row. We're going to turn, and then next I'm gonna chain 2, and then we are going to make a double crochet decrease. So gonna yarn over, insert a hook in the first stitch, grab your yarn, and then pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on your hook. Next, yarn over, insert your hook to the next stitch, pull through 2 loops, and then now we have 3 loops on our hook. We are going to, okay, so now we have a double crochet decrease. In the next double crochet on the next 31 stitches. So I'm done making 31 double crochet stitches. The last 2 stitches we will make a double crochet decrease. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. You've got 2 loops in your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab your yarn, and then pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, and grab your yarn all through 3 loops. And this is round 2, and for round 3 up to 10, just repeat the pattern from row 2. So I'm gonna chain 2 and then make a double crochet decrease, and then make a double crochet here, and then except the last 2 stitches because we are going to make a double crochet decrease. So you can pause the video now, and then I'll be back when I'm done with my row 10. Now we're done with row 10. We're going to proceed with row 11. Going to turn, and then chain 2, and then double crochet in all the stitches. And then for row 12 and 13, just repeat that pattern from row 11. So I'm going to chain 3 and then double crochet in all the stitches, and then chain 3, double crochet in all the stitches. Now we're done making the handle of the bag. Next, we're going to chain 1, and then in this side we're going to crochet a single crochet here, also here, and also on this side, and then repeat that on this side also. So chain 1, and then in each row make 2 single crochet. Okay, so when I'm done making the single crochet, we are going to sew the bag together. Now we're done making our bag. We are going to sew the bag together. I hope that you find this tutorial easy to follow. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe here and click the bell notification icon so that you will get notified every time I post new free crochet patterns. You can also share your finished projects in my Facebook and Instagram. I'll post a link down below. Thank you for watching this video, and then I'll see you on the next one.